Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Come, before we leave.
Why do you say good afternoon and good night is not afternoon and night?
I know, but I say that because I don't know what time they are watching it.
Oh.
So they might be watching it in the morning or in the afternoon or in the night.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Come to me. Stop doing that. Okay, stop acting like that, please. You guys, I'm back at it again. Another day, another morning, another routine. Come. Wait, let's do the socks first. Come, Ty. You guys, I'm getting Tyler ready for school. He's a mess. Sorry, still sleeping. I woke up and fed her and she's sleeping. Baby's off to work though.
Yes.
Papa wake you up this morning?
Yes.
And give you breakfast?
Yes.
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 Baby wake up Tyler every morning and give him breakfast before I wake up, so I don't have to wake up and do that in the morning. He's such a good daddy. He's such a good papa.
Yes.
What he gave you for breakfast this morning?
The same thing as yesterday.
Toast and tea.
Yes.
Awesome. And you eat it off?
Yes. 4 toast and 1 tea.
4 toast and 1 tea.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Very good.
and 5 plus 2 equals 7.
Very good.
And also 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Very good.
And 5 plus 4 equals 9.
Bravo.
So
Let me see your teeth. Go like this.
3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Very good. With your there. Good job, baby. You're so smart. You're a smart boy just like Papa.
Yes.
Come put your hand in. Your hand. You're a hot mess.
What did you put?
Hold on. You're in 2 different gloves.
Oh.
One is old and one is new.
That is new.
This is old.
This
No!
is old.
Die! No! Oh my God.
But it was old.
No, it's the new one. Leave it.
No.
Well, it's wet, but it doesn't look like it's raining today.
Yes.
As yet. Okay.
So we
Don't
will
need
go
an umbrella.
Yes. We leave the umbrella. Mama, I love you.
I
Yeah.
love you too. Come on.
I
Let's
miss
go get
you
your bag.
today.
I'll miss you too, baby. But I'll see you after Godry, okay?
Yes,
And you'll be good at school and you'll be nice and listen to your teacher.
okay, so I go. But at school, I'm going to listen who's going to hospital blue and most to that and kiss me or not me.
Maybe you'll see. Go get your bag. We're gonna get sister ready. Let's go find the daughter. Let's go find the daughter. Daughter! 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 Get out of my bed, daughter! 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 Sarah! Daughter!
Daughter! My daughter!
Sarah!
Daughter!
Watch her in and out of sleep.
Daughter! 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 Daughter!
Daughter!
Daughter! Daughter!
Pretty daughter, good morning.
Daughter!
Good morning, daughter.
Daughter!
Good morning, daughter. Is your crazy brother, daughter?
Daughter is your crazy brother. Daughter.
All right, get down, may take her up. Daughter,
Daughter.
your brother says you're crazy, brother.
Mama.
Ooh.
Look.
Daughter, who is that?
Who
Who is that, daughter? Who is that, daughter?
Wait. I'm going to buy pajama for you, okay?
No, we come into the room. All right, let's go get ready.
Let's
So,
go
see you
get
guys
ready
when
for
we get
Sarah.
back. See you guys when we get
You
back.
got ready, get back.
Tell Faves bye-bye, Tyler.
Bye-bye.
So, did Sarah just do like that?
Bye. Bye-bye, Sarah.
Did Sarah just wave?
Huh?
Like she just go like that. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get my girl dressed.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm
Look
going
at
to
her morning
school.
face. She's not even looking at you guys because she's looking at her brother. Hi, who is that? Who is that? She loves the camera so much. You guys, we are back from dropping brother at school. And the minute we got back, Sarah's eyes were like, hey mama, you ain't working out this morning, girl. Sarah woke up. So I decided that, okay, I'm gonna put on my clothes to work out anyway. So I did that. However, I'm just gonna keep my clothes on and have breakfast, and then whenever she goes for a nap, whether first nap or second nap, then I'll work out. But I'll figure it out. But fly high, fly low, your girl is determined to work out this morning, and it's gonna happen, okay? It's gonna happen. If it means that I have to keep my clothes on throughout the day, so whenever she goes to nap, I can sneak it in. You, Alexa, pause. Hey you, girl. What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? What you doing down there? You're playing? Yeah. Yes, yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Pretty. You're playing? You're having fun all by yourself? Big girl? Aww. Hi. Hi. Yes. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? You guys, workout is done. Mission accomplished this morning. You know, though I say I'm struggling to work out, I think resting the past few days has really helped, and resting this weekend has really helped, because this morning when I woke up, I really wasn't feeling as tired. I was so motivated to work out, maybe because I didn't work out last week. So my body is more rested and even more eager, more motivated to work out this week, because I got so much rest last week. And it was a good thing I put my clothes on and say when Sarah goes down for her second or third nap, I would sneak that workout in. And she went down for a nap and she's still napping. The monitor is behind me where I'm looking at her. And I got my run in. I got about 20 minutes done and I got all my abs done. And I actually had put some chicken in the oven to jerk while I was working out. So that should be finishing up. I can smell it from around here coming through the door. So I'm gonna see if I catch a shower before she wakes up and finish look after the chicken by the time she wakes up. If I catch a shower by she wake up, then that is all I'll need, and that will be just perfect. Anyway, you guys, let me show you her. She's sleeping away. Anyway, you guys, mission accomplished. So if you were struggling like I was struggling, and if you're still struggling, just pull back a bit and do what works for you, because only you know your schedule and only you know what works. So with that said, I feel really good getting my workout done, busting that sweat this morning. Now I'm gonna jump in the shower and continue on with my day. You guys, chicken done just in time. Oven jerk looking so good. My god, look at that. I can get lunch and dinner from this. But let's see what I'll have for lunch, honey. But this is dinner already on its way. Come here, you big girl. You're awake. Oh, big girl. You're awake. You're awake. Hi, little face. Hello, little face. Hi, little face. Hi, little face. She's sweet, so still. Oh, you sweet, so. Huh? Hi, little face. Hi, little face. Oh, my sweet girl. You guys, look at the sunset. Don't know if you guys can see it as well as I'm seeing it. Look at it peeking up through there. So pretty. So pretty. My baby's home. Tell Faith, how was your day?
It was fine.
What did you do at school today?
Today I did hard work.
You did what?
Hard work.
Hard work?
Yeah.
What kind of hard work?
To
What kind of hard work did you do at school today?
put the castle on play online.
To put the caster online.
Yes.
Okay, and
There
what
was
else?
one caster that there's only one caster that holding the flag of Canada like that.
Okay, what else did you do today?
And also, I do the M attaché.
C'est quoi le M en attaché?
L'écriture pour le faire.
Je sais pas ça.
Moi, je dois le faire à l'école. Il faut prendre un crayon, prendre une feuille et faire un attaché comme ça. Regarde. D'abord, je commence comme par le M, comme par le N et le 2. Je monte, je descends tout droit, je remonte par le même chemin.
Tell Fabs in English. Tell Fabs what you said in English. Go in the camera so they can see you. Go back to seat. Tell Fabs in English what you just said.
I did the M normal.
M normal.
Yes.
Right.
Like that, look face. No.
So you learn how to write normal M at school today.
Yes.
Good job.
But look, Mama. Look, Mama. Il faut 3 ponts et quand on a fini le dernier pont, on glisse un peu plus loin.
Okay.
Ow, ow, ow. Huggy. Wait.
Kai, take time.
No, Sarah.
Sorry, you're going to get a bath in an hour.
Oh, yes. What is going to have a baby now?
I wonder. You guys, the king is home. King the lover is home.
That's not wine, that's soup.
Your dog is smiling or no?
No. No. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. I'm super exhausted. I'm exhausted like a Thursday night.
Really?
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh.
I think because I have headache from yesterday. And it's still there.
It's not gone?
No, it's still there. I think that's what makes me very tired. One thing, because it's winter and the bus looks like they turn back the heater, and you know what, the bad feeling I'm starting to have it when I take the transportation. Okay.
Astronaut travels to space by spaceship, which is this thing. Once the spaceship reaches space, the weight of every object will reach 0. And that happens because of no gravity.
Oh.
They are a team. The spaceship transports a team of astronauts to
Use the
space.
flag. Use the flag.
Okay, listen. Discovering the moon and planets.
Look at Sarah on the side. Look at Sarah. Look at Sarah's foot.
Mama, the car.
Sarah.
So
That doesn't hurt.
that's the unhappy foot.
No, that's not the Hanapi.
I know.
Can you move, car? Please, car. Please, move, car. Move, car. Move, car.
Hold on tight.
Okay.
To your room you go. You're going back to play with Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, careful, careful, careful. I'm gonna put you down. Hold on back to my neck. Down.
That's your position to make him down. He's not 10 pounds anymore.
Go on, go play with your sister because you're going to bed soon. Hey! Let that stay where it is. What?
You look like no, you're doing it with a chewing gum inside your mouth. That's how you do. You don't do that with water.
Mine is the female section. Female version.
That's right.
Go so.
It's a man version. It's a
Go. We're too bad at this one. Is it good that I can't whistle? The Bible says whistling hen is abomination to the Lord. You're not supposed to whistling woman. Woman not supposed to whistle. That's what Jamaican man call to woman. Sexy body. Running. He goes so man, he goes so. That's the Jamaican expression for today. He goes so.
ego so.
What does that mean? He goes so.
It's like that.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
Just like I said just now. Psst, psst. That's what Jamaican men call to woman. Browning.
Browning. Why
Nice
browning?
girl.
Okay.
If you're brown, like if you're my complexion, they call you browning.
Okay.
Browning, a nice girl.
Oh, you get used to they call you browning.
Yeah.
Browning.
Yes, so they say psst, psst, browning.
Shorty.
Mean, ego so mean that's true.
Okay.
What's the French expression?
Ramener sa fraise.
Ramener sa fraise.
Yes. Ramener sa fraise.
What does that mean?
I'm asking you, what does that mean?
Ramener sa fraise. Ramener sa fraise. Mix the strawberry.
No, not at all. It doesn't have anything to do with strawberry. It simply means like bring back. It's somebody who ramener sa fraise is not good. It's somebody that always have something to say with. Always bring like in the conversation. Always have something to say. Not necessarily good. Yeah. So this guy always ramener sa fraise. He always come and
know it all and really don't know nothing.
So I'm talking to you and you always come and say something.
Right. Get it.
Right.
Get it.
You get it?
Yes.
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. The kids are in bed and I am going to lay down my bed, stay up and do some papers, but I'm tired, so
Yeah.
I have a nap today.
Won't stay long. Want to sleep too.
Alright, you guys, if you're new to our channel, give this video a
thumbs up. Comment
down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.